So, what are we doing here at the train station today, Sponge? Well, this is a subway train, but the problem is no one's gonna be here to drive it, because the driver was taken sick to a hospital. Oh my god, that's terrible. Who's gonna drive it? Well, it's either one of us. Well, I do know how to drive trains. I always wanted to do it when I was a kid. You always been a kid, Patrick. Alright, you can drive it, and I'll be a passenger. Alright, we got a deal. I hope it doesn't go to disaster. Patrick, you idiot! Did you realize what you did? Did what? I don't know what you're saying, man. Perhaps you should know, Patrick. You crashed the train! Now, thanks to you, we're out in the middle of nowhere and I don't know where we're at. Hey, chill out, man. Don't sweat it. At least, we're at some place. I hope it's full of luxury. Patrick, there's probably no luxury here. It's a dump. We're at rock bottom. I'm definitely not going in there. Well, suit yourself, because we're just gonna be stranded up here. Patrick, you are the dumbest man I have ever seen. Thanks, SpongeBob. All I needed was recognition. Wait, what? How did you fix that? It was magic. So that makes you a mermaid? What? No. If I was a mermaid, I had to be a girl. And I'm not a girl, I'm a man. Now, Patrick, you're gonna have to be the passenger. I'll be the driver. Whatever you say, boss. I'm not your boss. Well, Patrick, we made it. We would have gotten here a bit earlier if you haven't crashed the train. Well, it was an accident. Well, maybe you shouldn't have driven it too fast. You know, this is not Amtrak, okay? It doesn't go fast. It's not meant for that. People can get killed on this. Because it's not a toy, Patrick. It's real. For when I was a little kid, I always thought they were toys. Oh, Evie sisters. Oh, thanks, SpongeBob. I know it. I knew it was a mistake of driving the train in the first place. If I would have known better, I should have let Patrick drive the train. But no, I didn't trust it because he crashed it. Well, I best get going then. This is the life for Patrick. Hang out with 4 beauties. How I love it.